back at the North Sulphur River, having a fun family day. Johnny here is getting some really cool footage with the drone. Got the kids down there hunting for neat stuff. I wonder what we'll find. Found a really nice gastropod here. Really cool. There's this really neat little baculite. Really nice suture lines on it. Really nice pyrite sun. Really neat phosphatized fish bone segment. I can tell it's fish bone by the color. It's probably a xiphactinus or something like that by the size of it. Cool find.
Return of the fanny pack.
Fanny pack dad.
Yeah.
Found two things right back to back. One really neat tiny Mosasaur vertebra, and then this Mosasaur tooth. It's really beat up and broken, but I can tell that it's a Mosasaur by the striations and the pattern on the tooth. Really cool. Hi honey, what did you find?
Pyrite sun. And look, the sun came out just in time.
Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Daddy found something.
Hi.
Hi honey, what did you find?
I found what I think is a vert. Yeah. So you can see how the color is totally different than everything around it.
Yeah.
That's made it easy to see.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh wow.
That's a crazy shaped one.
Look,
Oh wow. It's got a bite on it, a bite mark on the back. Look, that's a bite mark, a tooth mark where it was attacked by another predator.
And it looks like it's been sheared.
That's
split.
amazing. Yeah, it's been chewed apart.
There would be a whole nother half to it over here.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And you see the cup here and the...
Yeah, I do. Let me see that.
There. It's...
Yeah, right here. Do you see that deep bite mark?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, that's one of the coolest verts. Wow. Great job.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh my gosh, I literally found the coolest bone vertebra that I have literally ever found here. It is so cool. I'm not sure what it belongs to yet, but I'll get an ID on that and add it to the video. Wow. Hi honey, what did you find? Ooh, it's a piece of a turtle shell, it looks like. That is neat. Cool. What else you got?
Just the vert I found earlier.
Just the same vert, you just wanted to gloat. You're gloating. Congratulations.
It's mine. Thank you.
Found a really cool piece of an ammonite segment. Hey, what did you find?
A few things.
All right, let me see.
I found this definitely worked piece of chert.
Yes.
Very, very worked.
Yes.
I don't know if
it's
they
a tool, a hand tool. This is a hand knife, a hand scraper.
And then I found these, well, this big baculite piece.
Nice. Wow.
And then these two
Really great verts.
pieces of
Mosasaur Vertebra.
yeah.
Wow, baby. Wow.
Thank
Good
you.
job.
Thanks.
Found a piece of a tooth. It looks like a broken off piece of a sawfish tooth, to be honest. Found a really cool bivalve. Hi, Daddy. What did you find?
I found a tooth.
An Encodus.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Got the tip broke off of it, but it looks pretty. I like it.
Yeah.
And then right next to it, a horse tooth.
Yeah, broken off little segment of horse enamel.
Yep.
Pleistocene in age. That's cool. Yay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Found this really awesome freeform arrowhead. Not quite finished, but they were really working hard on it. Got some really nice working on it. Pretty cool. Found something really neat. He found a bunch of the pyrite suns here that are still in the matrix, and they're so shiny and beautiful. You can see them coming out here. They're literally littering the whole... Oh wow. Yes, Jack, that is so cool.
Look at that.
Yeah, wow. Hi honey, what did
Hi
you
there.
find?
Hey, I found this vert.
Yeah, really great Mosasaur vertebra.
Yeah.
Wow, dude. I love that. Yay.
And this piece of shell.
Turtle shell, beautiful.
Thank
oh yeah, like it.
Yeah, sweet.
Good job. You're welcome. Johnny found this really cool worked piece of chert they were working on. They were carving arrowheads out of this. You can see where they had carved it out in the different color variation. Really cool. Found this really cool piece of baculite right here. Baculite is a type of anemonite. You can still see some of the suture lines on it. Cool find. Even better, right next to that other baculite was this really big, long, full section of a baculite. It's probably one of the biggest I've ever found. Really cool. This arrowhead reduction flake is amazing. Look at the point on it. Look at the really cool working. Wow. Found this really great Mosasaur vertebra. The cells in it have crystallized. Really nice. Oh my god, I literally just found the biggest full Mosasaur tooth I have ever found. I am shaking. This is so amazing. my God. Look at this. Oh my God. Okay, so this has got to be one of the coolest finds besides that tooth we just found. So there are stories out here of the Caddo Indians using Mosasaur Vertebra and Plesiosaur Vertebra as jewelry. And they have found out here pieces of bone that had human drilled holes through them. And I just found an artifact and a bone. So this is, I'm thinking Plesiosaur or Mosasaur. But the coolest part about it is the hole. That is a human drilled hole. This was used as a piece of jewelry. So it doubles as an artifact and a fossil. Wow, I'm blown away right now. We just found what looks like a paddle bone. And I think it just might actually belong to a plesiosaur. Wow. I was walking along and I just stumbled upon this nice reduction flake from Arrowhead Making and this really cool piece of tooth enamel. I found a piece of a turtle shell, fossilized turtle shell, and another piece of a Caddo Indian worked shirt they were working on to make some arrowheads and tools out of. I found the smallest little Mosasaur vertebra probably on the whole planet. I mean, it is about the size of my finger now. Zoom out for comparison here. But it's really nicely preserved. Cool find. It's been a great day on the river today for teeth. Found this other segment. I believe it to be a Mosasaur tooth. It's broken. It's a half of a tooth. And then I got this really great sawtooth segment down here. It still has like a little bitty saw edge on the end of it. Really cool. As I'm videoing these teeth, Johnny walks over and hands me this really great Mosasaur vertebra, and it has a tooth mark through it. Look at that. That is so cool. We found 2 of them today that had teeth marks in it, and I just love it when we find stuff like that. Found a really awesome, smallish shark vertebra. Little beat up piece of horse tooth enamel. Got this really cool piece of, I believe it's Mosasaur by the texture, not really 100% sure. I do know that it is definitely Cretaceous in age by the pattern. Really cool, really cool. Found this really worn, neat piece of Mosasaur vertebra. It's been pretty beat up, but it has really cool cells on it. I found a very interesting gastropod, unlike any I've ever seen here. Daddy found something. What is it?
This tooth. Can you see it?
I can.
Get it. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
And then in the water earlier, I found this gastropod.
Oh, that's cool.
Red layer.
I have never seen one like that.
All red.
I love it.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's
Pretty.
a neat. The river has been good to us today. Hey. Hey, what's up? I heard you found a whole bunch of awesome stuff.
Everything in 1 square foot.
Yeah.
So,
What do you want to start with?
well, I guess I'll start with this. I just picked it up. It's some tooth enamel from a horse.
It is. Yes.
That's cool. I found this little tooth.
Wow. Right
But
here.
I also found another tooth right here. A really big tooth.
Beautiful. It is beautiful. Wow,
And
baby.
can you see this? Can you tell what that is?
A vertebra.
I haven't dug it out yet.
I don't, yeah, it looks pretty big though.
Yeah, it does.
Oh. It's
just
still
a piece.
awesome.
Yeah, let me rinse it off.
Okay.
There we go. But this led us to finding all this stuff
And
in
this,
this area.
great, amazing, different looking piece of a baculite. I've never seen one preserved like that ever, actually. That is super,
That's ammonite.
really cool. You're right, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, ammonite.
Ammonite, I'm sorry. Well, a baculite is an ammonite. I got a little confused there, but wow, that's really cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey,
Hey,
we're done for the day.
we had a really good hunt.
Yeah, we found a lot of really cool stuff, especially this tooth.
I cannot believe that we found this is the coolest tooth we have ever found.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
I'm stoked.
So if you like the video, since we put a lot of work into these, maybe subscribe to the channel if you like it, and hopefully this helps you see what the North Sulphur River is like and what to expect and what to look for. And we're probably going to do a video in the future of what to bring and what not to bring, because we noticed that's a common question here.
Yeah.
And I hope the drone footage kind of gave you a bigger idea of what the river actually is like.
Yeah. And
so-
how to identify finds. Hopefully we help you in identifying and
Yeah.
showing you what you're looking for.
Well, our kiddos back there are ready to go, so we're going to sign out. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Ava found something really cool while we were walking back to the car. What is it?
I don't know. I just found it laying on the ground.
It is a gastropod inside of the matrix still. Wow, that is really cool, Ava. Congratulations.
It was laying in a hole.
Thank you for finding this. Good job.
You're